Batu, get you behind the table. Acting like you too good to talk to Granny.
That's because no one can stand your annoying ass.
You may be grown, but you ain't too grown to get a roundhouse.
I'm here, Granny Batu. I'm here. Lord help me. It's that time again, the holiday season. And with that comes the craziness. That being said, here's 5 tips for vapers to stay sane during the holiday season. Number 5, order early. Because let's face it, holiday shipping sucks.
Yo, Batu, you ordered that
Yeah, Batino?
that direct to mouth thing that I wanted. You got that, right?
Direct to, wait, what?
The big fluffy cloud maker. You know what I'm talking about. You ordered it, right? Don't make me have to do you like we did when we was kids. We can go for a round of flick your big forehead right now.
Boy, you better cut that nonsense out before I flick your forehead with the back of my hand. You know I will.
Yeah, man, I got it. I ordered it early, so should be here tomorrow. Gotta beat that holiday rush, right?
Yo, good looking out, fam. Still gonna flick your forehead.
Boy, if you don't.
Number 4, always travel smart with your gear. For example, store your mods and your batteries safely. Speaking of mods, Batino, where's the one I got you last time?
You know that boy would lose his head if it wasn't attached to that pencil neck he got.
Shut up, Uncle Bass. Maybe I have to catch a case up in here.
Boy, I will drop kick you in the nose if you
Nobody
don't
cut this mess out. Foolishness y'all got me messed up.
Sorry, Mama.
Sorry, Granny. But nah, it's in the car chilling.
Boy, you stupid.
And your wig is terrible. Your point?
First of all, my hair is none of your business. And second of all, your mod is about to become a firework.
What you mean?
She means you have batteries and an electrical device sitting in the hot Texas sun in a gas-fueled vehicle.
Oh, I'll be right back.
Number 3, prepare for a long day and night with the family. So if you can bring it, bring it.
It's a little warm, but I got it. It's cool.
Good, because I'm not fitting to buy you another one after the one I just got you.
Man, whatever. At least I got 2 mods now. At least that's more than what Weaverella over there got.
Don't sit here and disrespect your cousin in front of your granny like that. You know him about that life.
Trust me, we know. Some of us can never forget.
Anyway, Captain Krusty, 2 mods. I brought 5 unregulated mods, 7 regulated mods, 5 pod mods, 17 bags of cotton, and 48 bottles of juice. Actually, hold on. 49.
Are you sure you brought enough?
I mean, I was gonna bring a suitcase of juice, but Daddy told me it wouldn't fit in the car.
Child, we needed to bring actual clothes. You know, so we could be clothed.
Man, whatever.
Number 2, dealing with anti-vaping family members. Because that's always fun.
Vape this, mod that, bottles of juice. Look, I heard when you vape that nonsense, you get the kettle corn fingers in the wet esophagus. Why don't y'all just grab a cigarette? At least it's the devil you know.
First off, it's popcorn and wet lung.
What in the heezy is a wet lung? Sound like you try to breathe when you swim. Why would you try to breathe when you swim? That's foolish.
Second of all, Granny, those are myths about vaping. Trust me, it's not like that.
Listen here. The government told me that Bigfoot wasn't real, but I saw him, okay? I saw him last week running around in the woods talking about this scotch is too strong or some mess. The truth is out there, child. The truth is out there.
And number 1, vape on those desserts so you don't end up eating your weight in cake and pies.
Last number 5. I'm gonna grab some pumpkin pie and some cupcakes.
Save some for the children. You know you don't need no more pie. All you do is come over and eat my food anyway. We going halves on the groceries now?
But you're my mama. You're supposed to look out for me.
Until you're 18. Not every time you're 18. Hop off the pie, son. Hop off the pie. I'm good, Granny. I brought my vape, member.
Yeah, Granny, I'm good too. But thank you.
This child is sleeping on my table. This whole family's a mess. I need some time off from being here, Granny, because all these children is foolish. They all foolish. This fool really fell asleep at the table. My wig look good though.